Hey guys, this is Matt back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper Gojo action figure from Jujutsu Kaisen. So we will be using this colored A4. I haven't used this ever. I think it's dark blue. I'm not sure. Probably ultramarine or something like that. Anyways, all you need is this and some of these. Mostly white and dark blue is enough. Oh, by the way, they match colors. I didn't realize that. Anyways, we are gonna start now. So how we're gonna do this is, first we'll take a little strip of paper about this big, not all the way cut, just this much, and then what we're gonna do is just roll it on itself. Now this one is going to be our body, or the main torso. So this is not the final torso, we'll be adding a jacket on top later on, so feel free to make it rough. You could use a different color as well, because it's not going to be visible. Okay, now next up, let's add the legs and the arms. So how long would I want the legs to be? Pretty long. Gojo has long legs, so probably like that long. Let's cut that out. Alright, so once you have this, I want to fold it half along this side, chop it, and there you have it, the legs. So let's say this is the left leg. Then how I want to make a leg is, I have a pen, I just roll it, then tape it. That's gonna be our I'll make that the lower leg, because the thighs are generally bigger, so for the thighs I'll use a bit thicker pen. And tape it. So that's one leg. Now I'll attach it right there at the bottom, like this. So it's got a movable joint. And to secure it in place, I'll use some extra tape. And finally, we'll attach whatever we just made onto the body segment right there. You can secure that as well. Now let's do the same for the other leg and the arms as well, and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so once you have this much of your figure ready, I want you to cut some parts, especially these two. So these are going to be our jacket pieces. So I think this will go up top, this will go bottom, like that. So that's the plan, at least, right? So Or should I try to put this at the top? That works as well. I don't know. I think it's... Yeah, let's do it at the top then. And while we're at it, add a little bit of design to it. Right there. Since this is going to be our jacket, I want it to be a little bit folded to create some illusion of crease. And what I'll do is just add buttons on one side. And sort of create a line like that. Oops, dropped everything there. And then create some creases using some more black ink. Oh no. Anyways, yeah, like that at the top as well. Now what I want to do is add this cloth like this. Right there, like that. Alright, now we're ready to add this top half of the jacket in there. Nice. Now once the jacket is done, I want to make another attachment to the jacket, which is his collar, the jacket collar. So that goes around the neck like this. Just like that. So it would be better if I do this later on instead of right at the beginning. So yeah, I'll save this for later. Let's first make the head. Now for the head I'm gonna use pinkish stone, and let's see. Okay, that big. Okay, so let's erase it a little bit. Now let's use some blue for the eyes, red as well, some pink, and possibly some of these, some of that. Okay, so let's start with the tongue. Instead of red marker, I'll use a red pen. And what else? This one. Now let's use our black pen. Okay, blue. Well, that isn't much blue, so that sucks. Let's see if I can find a little blue. There it is. Alright, so anyways, I'm going to quickly finish this off camera. I need to make the eyebrows and the eyelashes white. Alright, so here's the head. I didn't make the hair for the back, and you can take off the blindfold as well and see his face. So yeah, that's as far as I could do in the time I had. I think I just put it in there, and whenever I want to look at the eyes, I could just plop it upwards like that. That doesn't look that bad. Now one more thing I have to do is attach it to the body. And in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to attach it right there, like that. And then I will try to fit it through like this. Just like that. I think that's a very nice looking Gojo right there. And to secure it, you can add one more piece of tape at the back so it doesn't open up at all. And now whenever you want to see the eyes, you can, oh, I didn't know I could do that. So yeah, you can just slide this through and close his eyes as well whenever you like it. And just like that, we have a Gojo action figure. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos. And actually, I want to do one last thing, which is give him some arms. I'll quickly do that and call this video off. Alright, so there's the fingers. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.